Hi friends, this video shows how to change language and voice of text to speech. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner. Go to accessibility, select text to speech. Here select engine configuration. If you want to change language, you can change language here. So by default this would be system language. So if you want to select another language from the list, you can select the language here, then go back. Then we can install voice data for selected language. Select install voice data. From here you can download and install voice data for selected language. Done. So after that, if you want to enable and test, you can go back, then select talkback or screen reader, enable screen reader here, then you can test text to speech. Okay, so you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.